Pollution. Acid precipitation. What is it? Well, pollution, acid precipitation, is basically air pollution, which is acid rain. Acid rain is rainfall made sufficiently acidic by atmospheric pollution that it causes environmental harm, typically forests and lakes. Now that you have a better understanding of pollution, acid precipitation, you might be wondering, what is the issue? The issue with acid rain is that it's hurting our environment. It acidifies our lakes and streams, which is hurting the animals and the sea creatures. Fish die, bears digest acid, the lakes and streams lose an amazing sight, and so much more. Maybe you're thinking that it has nothing to do with you, so why worry? Well, maybe now you know that it could hurt you. Acid rain looks, feels, and tastes just like clean rain. The harm to people from acid rain is not direct. Walking in acid rain or even swimming in an acid lake is no more dangerous than walking or swimming in clean water. Look at these poor and innocent trees. They're all shriveled and almost dead. Acid rain does not usually kill trees directly. Instead, it is more likely to weaken trees by damaging their leaves, limiting the nutrients available to them, or exposing them to toxic substances slowly released from the soil. Our trees are so resourceful to us, and they help us all the time. Why get rid of them? Let's stop polluting. Now that we know what acid rain does to our trees, let's look what it does to our lakes and streams. Now, you see this picture of a lake? This lake was probably nice and beautiful, but look what has happened now. Since acid rain has poured down onto this lake, it has contaminated the lake with acid, which therefore killed all the fish. The fish have rose above the water and now are currently dead. The water is also dirty now, and the trees on the side are dead as well.
What is being done about the acid rain crisis? EPA's acid rain problem, a program that limits the amount of sulfur dioxide that power plants can release into the air, giving the power plants allowances. It also reduces the amount of nitrogen oxides released by power plants. Reducing pollution, which can be done by using coal with less sulfur, or wash the coal and get rid of some of the sulfur. Other sources of energy. It could help if energy was produced without using fossil fuels. It can be replaced with wind or solar energy. Cleaner cars, since cars are the main sources of the pollutants that caused acid rain.
1.
Acid rain is definitely causing various problems, so we need to look forward and see what the future may be holding for us, depending on how we treat nature. We must ask ourselves, what is going to happen? Here are some solutions that may brighten the image of the future. Long-term solutions for the acid rain problem would include creating new strict laws on air quality, developing technologies that make fuels cleaner, and filtering gases before they are in the atmosphere where they may be a danger. Individuals can help with the acid rain crisis by taking part in recycling programs, using public transportation, and consuming less energy where possible. If we continue with every single person having a role in this sort of system, we can preserve nature and make our planet a much safer, healthier place.
Knock knock, who's there? Mother Nature. Mother Nature who? Mother Nature about to die. Now that we know a lot about pollution, acid precipitation, let's put our knowledge into reality and help stop all of this. Because our future really doesn't look bright if we keep on living like this. Let's all work together to make this world a better place. I hope you weren't sitting there thinking whatever and this doesn't really matter, but this is our world's fate.
Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo.
Bye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to